Okay, so now I have Miss Plummer with me, looking cute as a button. Oh yeah, model now. Alright, so tell us what you did in this bathroom.
So I installed a new inlet valve on the toilet because the old one was leaking.
Okay, that's an inlet valve. Maybe you want to just tell them what the parts are. Well, I know that's a float ball I'm looking at right there.
Right. That one right there is the flopper ball.
A flopper ball, right?
This is the lift handle.
Right, and that's the inlet valve.
David, what's the problem? Okay.
So,
And then I installed the face basin. So there was a vessel sink here with a counter, and instead we changed it to a pedestal.
right, and we changed it because we had a termite problem with. So so people, if you can't bother with the termite problem, just install a pedestal. All right, they can't eat the pedestal.
No wood here.
All right, and of course we also set up this little kitchenette area. So, what you did here now?
Install the faucets and the waste pipe.
Okay, what a fancy this.
Yeah, I had to get a bit creative.
Why was that so?
Because the sink is much forward.
More forward.
More forward. So I had to use two 45-degree bends to get it to angle up.
Oh, to get it to go back. Oh, from the trap.
Right.
All right. So.
And then my other challenge was that the sink came with both hot and cold, but we only installed hot, so I then have to add a flex tube and put an angle valve here to stop the water from coming out.
Oh, we only install coal, you mean?
Yeah.
Coal. It is the coal that you install, right?
Yeah, the coal.
Make sure. All right, so I like this. Faucet. It's nice. Is it turned on fully?
I don't think so.
We need to just turn that on. That pressure seems a bit low. Alright, there you go. So you're gonna adjust it a little now. Adjust it some more. Still too much pressure. Yeah, that's about it. Alright, so this is the kitchen area. I must say it came out very nice. It's nice and compact. As you can see, you have your cooking area, you have your refrigerator to store, you have your storage on the top, and you also have your sink unit. Very nice. And you have your bed and all these things in here, right? So, let us see what's happening outside.